Hey guys, welcome back to Oz Biker. Hope you're all well. She's finally here. Long awaited Brutale RR Assens. 1 in 300 in the world. She's absolutely beautiful bike. Don't worry about the shit 3M job. I just did that to tie it over until I can get to a place to do it properly. You can see a few watermarks from me doing it. But mate, this bike, attention to detail, talk about sexy. Look at the carbon work. Wow, even wraps around here. I've done the headlight and did all this. It's pretty bodgy, but the guys will do it properly. But sensationally beautiful bike. Hey guys, this is first ride on the MV Agusta Brutale, and it'll be sort of my opinion on how I think the bike is. I can't really do too much with it because I can only go to 7,000 RPM, but and I've got brand new tyres. Like the bike's done hardly nothing at all in kilometres. It's 25 kilometres, so and a lot of that was in between traffic going straight, so tyre edges aren't even scrubbed in yet, so but we can definitely have a feel for what the bike feels like so far. Amazing how light this bike feels. It truly feels lighter than the BMW RR and single R. I've adjusted my brake lever, so hopefully there comes some nice little bends here. Little gravel. So easy to flick around. There's always gravel on this corner, see just there. Feels nice. Don't want to do anything silly until I really get to know the bike. Not silly, but get to know this thing. I feel confident on it, that's the main thing. Wow, that was effortless. Truly effortless. So beautiful. Good girl. Wow, man, this is so light in corners. It's amazing. Wow. See what she goes like on this road. I've come through this road a little bit, so I'll be able to definitely compare it, the feeling of it, to the BMW. But take in consideration that I'm not used to the bike, so it'll give me an indication of how it feels a little bit, you know what I mean? Because I do go through this road, so so far. it's really good. It feels on par, if not definitely as good as the BMWs in the way it feels in handling. So we'll come across some of my favourite corners soon, and we'll definitely get a feel for it. Keep looking down because I can only go to 7,000 RPM, so I don't want to go over it. Feels nice. I'm not used to these tyres. As I said, if they were RS11s, I would definitely have a bit more confidence in them. Still very bit unsure on the bike, you know what I mean, what to expect, so it feels really, really nice through this stuff. It's very light. Sounds amazing. I don't know if the sound's coming out, but oh, wow, beautiful sounding motorbike. Very, very, very touchy throttle in race mode. It's something I'll get used to, I'm sure. Yeah, a little bit of fun. Yeah, geez, it does feel really nice to bike, guys, especially with these roto box wheels. It's like super easy to turn in, but I definitely don't do anything totally out of like pushing stuff until I really get to know the bike. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for tuning in. It's only a short video. I'll do an in-depth video of what I think it's like compared to the BMWs after it's run in. I can actually ride it properly, but as I always say, stay safe, ride safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now, guys.